Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic made by Solido at the 1/18 scale. This model is metallic and only has opening doors and functional steering. Let's take a closer look. I love the bodywork, it's absolutely superb. We have the headlights, pretty good headlights. We have those parts are chromed. Also the front grille is chromed. I like the Bugatti logo there in the front. Let's turn the model. We have these wheels, which looks pretty good. We have this part chromed as well. Pretty nice side. I like this fender a lot. Next we have the back. We have the stop lights, which are very small, and the turn signals. And also we have the exhaust, which is massive. Let's open the door, which opens this way. Pretty interesting. And look at the interior. Pretty nice interior, in my opinion. This model looks pretty good. Let's check out this side as well. Have this steering wheel. I don't particularly like the color they used. I think you should mimic wood texture, but I'm not sure. Please leave me a message in the comments if you know what should look like. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and also please tell me in the comments if you have this model in your collection.